If you've ever needed to export a Lucidspark board but weren't sure where to find the right button or which file format to choose, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through how to export Lucidspark step by step so you can save your board in the format that works best for your project. Whether you want a PDF for sharing, a PNG or JPEG for a presentation, or an SVG for high-quality scaling, I'll show you exactly what to click. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Now let's get started. First, log into your Lucid account and open the Lucidspark board that you want to export. Make sure you're on the correct board before you continue, especially if you have multiple projects saved in your account. Once your board is open, look to the upper left corner of your canvas. There you'll see the More menu icon, which is usually shown as 3 horizontal lines or a menu button. Click that More menu to open the available options for your board. After the menu opens, hover over Export. This is where Lucidspark gives you the different file formats you can use for downloading your board. As soon as you move your cursor over Export, you'll see the format options appear. This is the key step because Lucidspark lets you choose the export type based on how you plan to use the file. Now let's break down the most useful formats. If you want something easy to share or print, PDF is usually the best choice. If you want to place your board inside a slide deck, document, or email, PNG or JPEG may be the better option because they export as image files. And if you need a scalable, high-resolution format that keeps its quality when resized, SVG is the format to choose. So before you click anything, think about where the exported file is going to be used. Once you select your preferred file format, a settings window will appear. This is where you can customize the export before downloading it. One of the most important options here is cropping. You can choose full canvas if you want the entire board exported exactly as it appears. You can choose crop to content if you want Lucidspark to remove extra white space and only keep the area that contains your work. Or you can use custom crop if you only want to export a specific section of the board. This is especially helpful if your canvas is large and you only need one part of it. If you're exporting to PDF, you may also see an option to divide by page tiles. This is useful when you want your infinite canvas turned into a printable document with separate pages. That can be especially helpful for meetings, planning documents, or teams that want a structured multi-page PDF instead of one long canvas. So if you're exporting for printing or sharing in a formal format, take a moment to check those PDF settings carefully. After you've chosen your format and adjusted the export settings, click the download button. Lucidspark will then generate the file and save it directly to your computer. Depending on the size of your board and the format you selected, this may take a few seconds. Once it finishes, you'll have your Lucidspark export ready to use. And that's it. You've now learned how to export a Lucidspark board in just a few simple steps. You open the board, access the More menu, selected Export, chose your file format, customized the settings, and downloaded the finished file to your device. This is a quick skill that can save you a lot of time whenever you need to share your board or move it into another app. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.